Alright, let's be real. If your visuals don't stop the scroll, the content behind them doesn't matter. Today on ByteSized Future, we're breaking down the AI tools creators are actually using to make images people can't ignore, what works, what's overrated, and what's worth your time. Now listen, most people think scroll-stopping images come from talent. Wrong. They come from leverage. Let's start with OpenAI DALL-E 3. This tool is built for creators who want clean, readable, high-impact visuals fast. You describe a scene, the mood, the lighting, and it delivers images that already feel like marketing assets. Where it shines is concept clarity. Where it falls short is hyper-specific realism and strict brand control. It's not fully free, but bundled into certain ChatGPT plans. Reviews are strong overall. People love how reliable it is, though some say it plays things a little too safe. Now, if you're the type who likes control, real control, Leonardo AI is where people level up. Leonardo lets you dial in styles, realism, lighting, and even train outputs toward a specific aesthetic. It's powerful, but it expects you to know what you're doing. Bad prompts get punished fast. There's a free tier with daily credits, and paid plans unlock the real juice. Reviews praise realism and flexibility, but beginners say there's a learning curve. And then there's Midjourney, the tool everyone has an opinion about. Midjourney is pure visual drama. It creates images that feel cinematic, emotional, and impossible to ignore. Perfect for thumbnails and art-driven posts. But control is limited. It runs through Discord, and it's not free. Reviews are extreme. People either swear by it or get frustrated trying to tame it. If this already sounds like your kind of conversation, you're in the right room. Subscribe to ByteSized Future. We talk tools, not hype. Now let's talk tools built for people who care about speed and structure. Adobe Firefly is Adobe's answer to AI visuals, and it's very intentional. It's designed for commercial use, ads, banners, social graphics, without legal headaches. The visuals are clean and brand safe, but not wild. Firefly offers limited free credits, with paid plans for heavy users. Reviews from marketers are solid. Artists say it's too polished. Then you've got Canva AI Image Generator, which is basically speed on steroids. This is for creators who want scroll-stopping posts now, not after an hour of prompt tweaking. It's amazing for social media, thumbnails, and ads, but not for deep artistic control. Canva is free with limits, paid for full access. Reviews love the simplicity. Power users say it's creatively boxed in. Now here's a quieter one. Quillbot AI Image Generator. This is built for simplicity. You type, you get an image. No deep tuning, no heavy lifting. It's great for basic visuals, blogs, and quick posts, but it won't compete with Leonardo or Midjourney. It's free, with limits. Reviews are fair, beginners like it, advanced creators move on. Quick check. If you're already thinking about which of these fits your workflow, hit like. That tells the algorithm this content is worth pushing. Now, we shift gears, enhancement and polish. Night Cafe is for exploration. Multiple models, lots of styles, and a strong community vibe. It's great for testing ideas and finding visual directions, but not ideal for strict branding. It offers free daily credits, with paid upgrades. Reviews love experimentation, but consistency can be hit or miss. Then there's Runway ML, which is on another level. This isn't just image generation. It's editing, motion, and visual storytelling. Perfect if you want scroll-stopping visuals that move. It's powerful, but not beginner simple. And free access is limited. Reviews praise innovation, but pricing turns some people off. Next is Deep Image AI. This one doesn't generate, it sharpens. If your images already exist but don't pop, this tool cleans them up, upscales them, and makes them thumbnail ready. It has limited free usage, paid for higher quality. Reviews are positive for clarity, negative for lack of creativity. Finally, Gamma. Gamma isn't about art, it's about structure. It turns ideas into clean, scroll-friendly visuals like carousels and posts. Great for thought leadership and storytelling, not for cinematic art. It's free with limits, paid for advanced features. Reviews love speed, but note limited creative depth. If you want people to stop scrolling, your visuals need leverage, not luck. These tools exist so your content actually gets seen. This is ByteSized Future. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.